Alphabet learning ABC. Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe. A is for ant. B is for butterfly. C is for camel. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grasshopper. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for queen bee. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share.